Where will you be in 5 years? I have heard people say, why are they asking me this question? Who knows what's going to happen in 5 years? That is not progressive thinking, guys. A good approach is to visualize, focus, have a vision, and have a goal. So my goal-inspired lovelies, today my wish for you is to have a vision of where you would be or where you'd like to be in 5 years. So stay with me. And for the best career advice, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and you will be notified when I post new videos every week. So, if we have not met before, my name is Yvonne Robinson, your career strategist and business coach. I have more than 20 years of experience in the information technology industry and 15 of those in the staffing industry, finding lucrative positions for individuals in the Canadian federal government and the private sector. And I'm here to guide you through your career journey to be successful and build a rewarding career. So today we are going to deal with the question that they usually ask you in an interview. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Whether you're in a job interview or not, this is a very good question because what it is goal-oriented. It helps you to stop and take stock of where you are in life, where you are right now. So this is a good question to ask. We do not expect you to wield a crystal ball and tell us exactly where you'll be in 5 years. No. So why are we asking this question? We are asking these questions because we need to narrow down the field, guys. We need for you to have a goal. This question is to narrow down the field and weed out the unstable candidates and to find out if you are loyal and if you have a goal for yourself. So this is a commitment question. We want to know if you will be committed and stay with the company. We want to know if you will stay the course. Are you ambitious? Are you career oriented? Are you seeking a long-term opportunity with the company? We want to know that you'll be there in the long term. And if we think you're not going to be there in the long term, if we think you're just using it as a stepping stone, you're not going to get the job. So guys, show commitment. Show that you have interest in the job. Don't express interest in any other role or any interest in the manager's job. So let us look at the screen, how we're going to answer this question in two parts. In the first 2 years, I will be committed to learning all aspects of the job, learning about your products, services, processes, and customers. I will delve into all areas and really know the job very well and look for areas where I can contribute to make them a success. And then part 2 could be 2 to 3 years after that, I see myself as a true leader to help others in the departments. I will be offering my help the best way I can, whether it is production or operations or marketing. I will use my current skills and other skills gained from this role to help to achieve the company's objectives. So what you're doing here, guys, is that you are keeping it general. You're not speaking about anything, specific. So what you have actually done, you're talking about getting a promotion without saying getting a promotion, right? Because in 2 to 3 years, you're going to use those skills to help others in the department. You see where I'm going with this? So that approach, you break it up into 2 parts. In the first part, you talk about what you're going to do immediately, how you're going to learn, how you're going to know things very well, and how you're going to use those skills to help to make the products better. And then in the next 2 to 3 years, in the next 2 to 5 years, you're going to ensure that those skills that you learn, you're going to use to help others. That's management. That's helping. So that's very important because now you're into the coaching. In the next 2 to 3 years, you're into the coaching. So you say it without even saying it. Okay, guys? So that's a good approach. Another way for answering this question is, I've said that in another video, In 5 years, I will have an even better understanding of this industry, and I love working with people. Ultimately, I would like to be in some type of leadership role in this company where I can use my people skills and industry knowledge to mentor and benefit the people working with this company. So what we have done here, we have given two approaches. One approach is to break it up in 1 to 2 years and 2 to 3 years. What's going to happen? 1 to 2 years, I'm learning and I'm honing and I'm helping in all areas, making things better. Then 2 to 3 years after, I'm going to use it to help other people in the company to reach your company's objectives. And the other one is saying, I'm new here, but in the next 5 years, I would have learned your products and processes and everything. People, products, and processes, remember? I would have learned it. I would have honed my skills, and I'm able now to contribute in some kind of leadership role to bring your company into the next century. You can say anything, but just think of how you could say those questions. Think about your progression while you're answering that question, and that will be an excellent answer. So guys, comment below and let me know which is the most dreaded interview questions you've ever had to answer. And let me know if you're having any problems answering the 5-year vision interview questions. And I have another video that talks about the 10 most difficult interview questions and answers. So if you want to know about other interview questions and answers, watch that video. 10 most difficult interview questions and answers. So guys, watch some of my other videos. Winning resume that gets you the job, or winning job searching strategies to get the job. And if you're on LinkedIn, how to get jobs using LinkedIn. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share with your friends and family. Comment below and let me know what your biggest takeaway is. Let me know if you're having any challenges, and I will respond to each one of you individually. And I will see